Hi guys, welcome back to my channel as I welcome myself back to New York, back where I finally belong, just like you belong right here watching my videos. I am so happy to be back, and I had a startling discovery when I got in last night, which is that my online shopping habit sometimes precedes me.
Shopaholic.
Sounds like it.
I came home to this plus more that's below this that I can't carry, meaning that I did some shopping while I was away, and I just don't remember what I bought. So we're going to find out together. This is going to be kind of like one of those PR unboxings, except like I didn't get any of this sent to me for free. Some of this stuff may end up being boring, but I'm pretty sure some of it's gonna be fun. And at least one thing I think is a Christmas present, because I haven't been here since Christmas. So let's just dive right in. I always say that, just dive right in. Is that good diving form? What's good diving form? Does anybody know? Praying diving form? Cool. So we're going to start with this package here. I'm not gonna give you any zooms on these because my full-on address would be in them. So, what have we inside here? Off to a great start. A plastic baggie that looks a little strange. Oh, but a cute note. Emma, thank you. Enjoy the earmuffs. Cheers, Maddie. Okay, first of all, her handwriting really cute. And I forgot I bought these. These are gonna be cute because it's been really cold in New York and aren't these adorable? So I got these on Poshmark. I feel like Blair Waldorf. Wow. This is cute. I am a freaking fan. I feel like you can also do them just like this. Oh yeah. Big, like Mean Girl vibes, but in a cute way. Absolutely in love. Oh wow, they're so soft. I think I know what this is. So this is from Kind Fashion, and let's see what I bought. I kind of forgot. Oh yes, this cute little tee. It says, "I'm busy," which is true. I am, always. And also a cute little mask that's Kind X Mallow. So Kind Fashion is a brand started by my friend Bree, and it's associated with her blog by the same name, and their stuff is like super cute and her blog is super fun. So I'll link it below, you guys should check it out. Okay, next, this has a high possibility of being boring. We got a package from Prime. Let's check out what this is. Ooh, my beginner piano book for my course at school. Not much else to say about that. Next, we've got this one. I have no idea what this is. Can I just like rip her? I like when you can just rip them. Makes me feel very strong. Inside of this lovely package, oh, I remember what this is. I like how I forget what they are until I open them, and then I'm like, yes, I've been waiting for you. So this is a Zach Posen dress. It is not for this season, but for the spring, summer, it's gonna be so cute, right? Okay, it's like kind of long. Obviously there's creases in it right now, but it's gonna be like very chic and 50s vibes, and I can wear it with like white sunglasses and little heels, and like, I don't know, I feel like I would wear it to tea or to a picnic and just look very fabulous and adult, and I'm pumped to try it. Yay. Fun fact, when I have tissue paper from anything, I always save it because when I sell things on Poshmark, I like to pack them with cute tissue paper. So I have just like a folder of tissue paper. Okay, next one. Ooh, look at the ribbon. We love, okay, so I'm keeping the ribbon too, obviously. In fact, I think we should incorporate the ribbon into the rest of the video. Tati Westbrook, when she does unboxings, she always ends up looking a little different than when she started, and she's silly with it. And I enjoy that aspect, I have to say. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie this ribbon on top of my head because, you know, I really am the gift in all of this. Ta-da! Feeling kind of sassy. Okay, let's see what's actually in this little package. Ooh, okay, so these are Rag and Bone jeans. They're like these really neutral color and they're kind of cropped in boot cut. And I feel like, you know those like kind of monochromatic neutral looks? I feel like those look really good on blondes. Like something about like this being similar to my skin color and my hair color and then all of it together. Like I feel like I look like a little alien and I'm pumped to try it out. So yay. Moving along. Okay, next we've got this guy. Yes, cute little note. Thank you so much for shopping my Poshmark closet. You obviously have great style and I hope you absolutely love your purchase. Amanda at Amanda's Posh. Check her out, guys. I love that she said that. You obviously have great style. I mean, yes, obviously, Amanda. Done. Okay, so this is from Intermix and it's super cute. I really just love like fit and flare dresses. Wait. And this is like kind of a 70s vibe. So it's got like bell sleeves, which I love. It's short fit and flare, which I love. I don't have many blue dresses. And then look, the back is super cute too. Like it's got a little cutout, but the cutout is low, so you can still wear a bra if you want to. I think this is so cute. I cannot wait to try it on. I really hope it fits because I just think this is adorable and I can easily see this becoming one of those like closet staples. I also just love like the blue and white thing. It's very like porcelain vibes or like capri. I don't know, something about like that dark cobalt and white I think is so pretty. Next one, I know what this is. This is from my sweet grandparents, Betty and Lynn McCready, or as I know them, Graham and Grumps, which I know Grump sounds like a name for someone who would be grumpy, but Grumps is not grumpy. We just call him that. It's not his favorite. But they sent me this for Christmas and I'm excited to open it. And then we've got these guys, which are so fun. Okay, so this is from Anthropologie. And look, they're like flare velvet pants. Aren't these awesome? I'm really into the 70s thing right now, if you can't tell, but like, isn't this great? I am so excited to try these on. Oh my God. I get so excited by things. It's so bad, guys. I'm just a little materialistic. Okay. I'm also surprised I haven't messed up my nails doing this. I got them done today. Usually I mess up my nails on the first day I get them done, and this seems like the perfect activity to mess up your nails, right? But they're kind of cute. They're totally not wintry, but I was just feeling like getting something neutral and pink, and it's where we're at. It's simply where we're at. Okay, so I saved the best for last. I am really hoping this is as cute as it was in the pictures, because I know what this is. This is my first ever purchase from The RealReal. As you know, I'm a diehard Poshmark fan. However, The RealReal is great, like undeniably so. I stay off of it because it's easy to get sucked into the really expensive things on there, but if you really know how to look for them, you can find the most amazing deals. If you don't know what The RealReal is, it is essentially an online consignment shop. So not unlike Poshmark, except for they exclusively cater to luxury and designers. The other great thing about them is that they have all their products like authenticated, so you know the what you're getting is the real thing, i.e. The RealReal. What I don't love about their site is that you can't offer. They appraise the item, they price the item, and then you buy it. So there's no offer feature, and the offer feature is, for me, what makes Poshmark so worthwhile. However, this bag I got for a sick deal. I think I got this for like under $100 if I'm not wrong. So I've already given away that it's a bag. Okay, let's see what it says. The RealReal. Thank you for shopping sustainably, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So we've got a receipt. Now I will know. I paid $76 for this, and y'all are gonna die. So this is vintage Marc Jacobs. And it is extra. And I love it. Look at this bag. It's like, there's so much going on here. It is so very like early 2000s, but I am obsessed with this. Like, this is just like Elle Woods realness. You know what I mean? Like, it's bright pink, gold detailing. I could not be more obsessed. Okay, wait, let's like open her up. This is big. You can hold a lot of stuff in this. I love that it's a HOA bag. I like that they stuff it. That's nice of them. I just want to be like, hi, hi, hi. Oh, nice to meet you. This is a bag that will make you feel very extra, and I enjoy feeling very extra. Like, I know I'm extra enough as is, but why not just take it to the next level? You know what I'm saying? I feel that we all deserve that. That is everything that I bought for myself / was sent by my grandparents. You know, unboxing videos, I would really love someday to do one with like PR, maybe for like makeup. Wouldn't that be just like such a lovely thing? Just gonna manifest that out there a little bit. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave the criticisms at the door. Put them in the comments below. Want to see some more like it or some more like anything else? You can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell if you want to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.